Alrighty, Sharp Customs, we're back. Yes, I know we just did a video a night ago, probably about 16-18 hours ago. Had a new project kind of just drop in my lap, I guess you could say. Basically, we're working on 1971-72 Pontiac Ventura. As you can see, it's got numbers on the windshield. It is a drag car. So basically, I put a motor in this last year, and the fella run it. It ran good. This is the motor I pulled out last year. This is a 454 big block, full roller motor. We're putting this bullet in, this Heartbeat, big block Chevy Heartbeat, because the one over here that I put in last year, it's a semi flat tappet roller motor. It's actually a 427, and it did well last summer, but it did lose a couple of lobes off of the cam. So basically, we pulled that out this morning. Like I say, this job was just a spur of the moment. The fella who owns this car wants to go racing this weekend. Here we are, this is Monday. We popped one Heartbeat out. We're dropping another Heartbeat in. I thought I would just do a little short video. Just letting people know that, yeah, you never know what's gonna drop in the shop at Sharp Customs. I'm gonna lower the motor. I'm gonna try and lower this in by myself. It's not a hard job. See our beauty sky hook. This thing gets used a lot. This is not a hard motor pull. Lots of room in this car. But the only thing that's in the way is the steering link down the bottom. And we're almost there. I'm just going to give her a little push back as I drop her down. Try and get her lined up with the motor mount. If by chance I get this in by myself, which I'm almost there. Just gonna grab a motor mount bolt, maybe a flashlight, so I can kind of see what I'm doing. Oh, just down just a smidge. Maybe a smidge more. There we go. Got one started. Try the other side. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, that's gonna work out. This is one of those jobbies where the header has to kind of be in the right spot in order for us to get everything lined up. She does want to come down a bit more, but unfortunately this is kind of a, as you can see how tight the header is to the steering box. It does fit, there is clearance. But I'm kind of thinking, let me get these pieces of material out of the, don't want to leave those in there. Kind of think they would have just got shot right out. Yeah, I'm thinking we got to lift this side back up. Pretty sure this was a bit of a hassle the last time I did it. There we go. So I think what we'll do, as you can see though, it's almost in. Got a transmission, looks like it's gonna line up just about perfect. That's kind of nice. I think we'll maybe we'll shoot a couple header bolts in there. We'll shoot a couple header bolts in here. Try to. There we go. Maybe, maybe not. Give myself just a little bit more space. Well, I can definitely see it's a little bit tricky on your own. Sometimes things just don't want to line up the way you think they should. The motor wants me to have it up. The header wants me to have the motor down. I don't think the header or the motor know what they want. All I know is they gotta go together. All right, I got one bolt in. I'm gonna grab another bolt, and then we're gonna lower this motor into place. Maybe. Seems like our header here doesn't really want to play nice. Not sure if it's the header that don't want to play nice or if it's the rest of the car. I have clearance everywhere, which is starting to make me think should be a straightforward take one out, put one in. Not really sure what's going on here with the header. Oh. So it would seem like the header's hitting something. down underneath the car. So, I'm thinking so, okay, I tried. The motor's, it's in there, it's not hooked up. I got a little finessing to do. But I just wanted to do a little short video. It's in there, it ain't going anywhere now. But I hope y'all come back tomorrow, because the plan is to get this all plumbed, wired back up, get his blood back in it. We got all the goodies over there on the bench. Polycarb, MSD distributor. We're going to get all that back in it, hopefully tonight. If not tonight, it'll be early tomorrow. And I'm hoping we get to shoot a video and yeah, fire this bad boy up, because this thing, open headers, this car sounds gnarly. So, hope you come back tomorrow and join us again. Sharp Customs, like, share, subscribe, you know, all that stuff. And I'm out for now. Later.